Hi, my name is Lisbeth,
Hi, my name is Jewel.
Hi, I'm Shreya.
Hi, I'm Malika.
and we're Group 6. Today we'll be presenting on Spotify data. Spotify is a music streaming platform that allows users to listen to millions of songs, podcasts, and playlists that are on demand. It uses data-driven technology to personalize music recommendations, track listening habits, and enhance user experience through features like Discover Weekly and Wrapped. Spotify collects and stores detailed information about your listening behavior, including age, gender, country, subscription type, device type. And from this data, which is derived from Kaggle, we have created these dashboards in order to explain to stakeholders how Spotify is doing.
This dashboard tells us what type of people are canceling their Spotify subscription based on gender, age, device, subscription type, and country. On the top row, you can see the most important KPIs. The churn rate tells us the average rate by which users are leaving. The retention rate tells us the average rate of users keeping their subscriptions active. And the average listening time in hours tells us, on average, how many hours users are listening to music. The next row shows churn by gender and churn by age bar chart. If you were to filter it on just one gender, you can see that females seem to be leaving Spotify the most with the highest churn rate of 26.29%. Looking at the age group bar chart, the age who had the highest churn rate are the 26 through 35 age group. And if you specifically focus in on females again, the over 55 age group are canceling their subscriptions the most. To the right, there are filters where the data can be sorted by different variables, such as by gender or by country, to view the metrics from a different point of view. Passing it over to Malika.
Thank you, Johan. So the bottom part of the dashboard we have like churn by device, churn by subscription type, and churn by country. So the first part, churn by device shows like the mobile users experience the highest churn rate, often due to shorter sessions, app performance issues, distractions while multitasking. And the desktop listeners, however, show the greater loyalty since they typically engage for longer uninterrupted periods. So improving the mobile usability, personalization, and offline playback can help reduce churn among mobile users. This is what we see here in this dashboard. And the second part of this bar diagram shows like a churn by subscription type, which also like the free tier users churn more frequently because of the ad interruptions, limited skips, and feature restrictions. Whereas the premium users demonstrates like stronger retention due to ad-free listening and better sound quality and exclusive features. So encouraging the free users to upgrade through personalized recommendation and trial offers bundles promotions can improve the conversation and reduce churn. And the third part of the bottom dashboard is the churn by country, and the churn patterns differs across region. If we see like the developed countries like US and UK maintain higher user retentions due to the brand trust and affordability, while emerging market shows higher churn because of the cost sensitivity, language diversity, and strong local competitors. Tailoring the content and the pricing to local taste the cultural trends and purchasing power can enhance the global user engagement and minimize the churn. Overall, in order to make this dashboard more informative, we added the interactive tooltip that will display like additional metrics when we hover over each country. And this will give us details like what country and what is the count of user ID and what is the churn rate. So overall, this is an interactive detail ensures the map is both intuitive and engaging, demonstrating the key insights in the dataset. Thank you. Over to Shreya.
Yes, thank you, Malika. So, in this dashboard too, first we are looking at the GIS map, which shows how key metrics differ across locations, making it easy to identify geographic patterns and trends at a glance. It is practical. it is particularly useful in understanding where churn is high, where users have average listening time, and which regions may need to focus that attention to. Unlike tables or static charts, a map reveals hotspots and regional variations instantly, making it valuable for strategic decisions such as regional marketing campaigns or pricing adjustments. The map in the dashboard is dynamic and where the users can interact with it, such as clicking on a country to filter the rest of the dashboard and explore deeper insights. With the metric selector parameter, the same map can switch between different views like churn rate, total users, average listening time, and skip rate, making it highly flexible and insightful. Similarly, coming to the bar chart, which provides a clear comparison across categories such as subscription types with dynamic metric fields. It helps identify which customer segments have the highest churn, lowest skip rate, higher listening time, or the most contribution to overall growth or decline. This makes it easier to decide where improvements or targeted actions are needed. The bar chart is dynamic and responds to user selections and parameter changes, allowing users to switch the view between churn rate, churn count, average listening time, or other metrics using the same chart. So, when used together, the map and the bar chart creates a story flow about how the map helps answering the where is the use issue occurring, and while the bar chart answers who or what is driving it, because both visuals are dynamic and interconnected. So this dashboard is more engaging and insightful and decision focused.
Thank you, Shreya. So the overall conclusion about the Spotify dashboard, which offers a comprehensive view of user behavior and engagement pattern across different devices, subscription types, and countries. The analysis reveals that premium users and desktop listeners shows higher retention, while free tier and mobile users tend to churn more frequently. And the regional differences highlight how economic and cultural factors influence user loyalty, emphasizing the need for localized marketing and pricing strategies. This combination of visual size, color, and interactive details ensures the map is all the dashboard is both intuitive and engaging for demonstrating key insights in the datasets. Overall, the dashboard demonstrates how data-driven insights can guide Spotify in improving the user experience, reducing the churn, and enhancing the global growth. By focusing on personalization and mobile optimization and targeted promotion, Spotify can strengthen customer satisfaction and long-term retention across its worldwide audience. This concludes our presentation. Thank you.
Thanks.